Hello, Lami here. Welcome to the guide to using EBSCO's Library and Information Science Source Database. I'm calling this a guide for your future selves because I realized that I wish I had used this database as a go-to when I started doing research in this program. I'm currently a student in San Jose State's MILS program, and this presentation is for my fellow students and for incoming students in this program, the future us's. I've been using this database for over a year now, and I'd like to show you how much great information you can access through this database. By now you've figured out why you chose library science, but how will you pursue your research studies? What other interests could you combine with your love of library science to create your groundbreaking, gap-filling, life-changing research? I want to share this database with you and explain why I recommend it to you for LIS research. In the next video, I'll discuss a few more tips, and I hope that you will find helpful when using the LISS database. I have found that I use this database more than any other database for the research that I have been doing in the MILS program. A lot of papers that you'll be writing while you're in library school or as a researcher in the field will have a multiple discipline focus. This database is a great resource for research that makes any kind of connection to libraries and its ancillary subjects. Most of the papers you'll write in the MILS program will require that you reference the LIS field. This database is a great place to begin to find out what kind of research there is in the field and how it connects to other areas you might want of interest. For the past year and a half, the focus of most of my studies has been the intersection between public libraries and health literacy. This is just one interdisciplinary topic of thousands possible. And this is a great database to use for this because so much of the great research that is supported by the more than 480 full-text journals which are available under the umbrella of this library science database. This database also provides 80 exclusive full-text journals, a thesaurus, and full-text archived articles going back as far as 1933. Getting there from here. Sign into your SJSU library account, open up OneSearch, click on Articles and Databases. From the A to Z menu, choose L. Open Library and Information Science Source. Use the search bars and Boolean operators to create your search, using limiters and expanders to focus your search. Here are some features that can help you focus your research topic. Use the left-hand side limiters to change the date range, choose full text only, specify a publication, or use other search limiters. Use the Citations and Save tab to collect articles in your area of interest. Once you have chosen an initial query, open an article of possible interest to access Find Similar Results. This may give you ideas about how to focus your topic by displaying related articles. You will find this tab in any open article page on the right-hand side. This is the fun part of the research. Use the LISS database to discover more about library work and to pick a research topic. To discover areas of interest to you within the LIS discipline, open the LISS database and populate the search bars with topics of interest and use the Boolean operators to help create a multidiscipline search. An example might be public libraries and health literacy, or academic libraries and history and the Civil War. Try a few searches to find more specific areas of interest. Especially when you start the MILS program, it is great fun to explore all of the unexpected connections that you can make between LIS and any other topic of interest. I did a few random searches combining combinations using the LISS database, and every one retrieved articles that sounded like something I'd like to read. I wish they had done this when I first started the program because there are more subjects that make connections to ILS than I would have ever imagined. The great thing about using the ILSS database to begin your research topic search is that it opens up a world of information about the topics and ideas that are being generated by scholars in the ILS field. If you have ever wondered if you are in the right field, take a moment to go to the ILSS database and type in a few keywords that describe your interests. It is very likely that you will find that there's a niche in which your passions meet the ILS field. When you find articles of interest, remember to save your articles in RefWorks and copy the citations for future use. Remember to say thank you from your future selves for using the ILSS database to find research topics of interest in one place, discover articles by authoritative authors in the ILS field and beyond, and create searches that build upon the research that you've already done. Good luck.